Hey everyone, have you ever wondered how Salesforce automates everything without writing code? Let's explore Salesforce Flow, one of the most powerful tools you should know. First, let's understand the basics. Automation means reducing manual work by using tools to perform tasks automatically. Instead of doing repetitive actions again and again, automation helps you save time and avoid errors. Now, in Salesforce, Flow is the tool that makes this possible. It is a no code automation engine where you can build logic using drag and drop. With Flow, you can create records, update data, send notifications, guide users step by step, and even integrate with other systems. So, simply put, Flow helps you work faster, smarter, and more efficiently. Now, let's look at the different types of flow. Screen flow is used when you need user interaction, like forms or guided steps. Record triggered flow runs automatically when a record is created or updated. Scheduled flow runs at a specific time, like daily or weekly jobs. And auto launched flow runs in the background without any user interface. Each type has a different purpose. So, choosing the right one depends on your use case. Now, let's talk about features and when to use Flow. Flow is powerful because it requires no coding, it is easy to build, and it allows a fast development. It also supports integrations, works in real time, and is easy to maintain. You should use Flow when your logic is simple to medium, or when you need quick automation that admins can manage easily. But when your logic becomes complex or you need high performance and large data processing, that's where Apex comes in. So the idea is simple: use Flow for simplicity and use Apex for complexity. So overall, Salesforce Flow is a game changer for automation, helping you build solutions faster without heavy coding. Learn Flow, build smart, and grow faster. Thank you. Subscribe to Salesforce Adventures for more videos.